down the highway, just Mike and me, chasing every sunset, wild and free. Wherever the road goes, that's where we'll be. Welcome to have me one city. Come ride with me.
Here we are at Ramsey's Pizza and Pub Bike Night, and just enjoy the show, and it's gonna be fun and we will have a good time. So hang in there, and thank you for watching. Oh boy, look at all those bikes, so pretty to see. Mike is parking, and look at these beautiful bikes.
I want to go over here and get a. Oh, that's cool. I want to grab some stuff.
Yeah.
Some lotion.
It is the most perfect classic hybrid for the QFM96 Bike Night here in Ramsey. Can I just get one big hell yeah? We are Radio City, super proud to be in 2023.
I'd say.
I will hold that forever and ever and ever. But even more importantly, we're just happy to keep on doing these bike nights. Keep on rocking.
What are you doing, Wally? Getting the girl stuff. Okay.
Hey everyone, welcome back again. Tonight we're taking you to one of Ohio's most popular motorcycle events, QFM96 Bike Night, here at the Ramsey's Pub and Pizza. There are hundreds of bikes, live music, great food, vendors, charity events, and we even got to meet one of the famous QFM96 DJ. So let's go check it out, and let's bring you around this pizza and pub at Ramsey. It's gonna be nice.
I'll let you have it. I'll have a bite.
I gotta go find the map.
All right.
Right here.
Oh yeah.
Hi. Can I photo bomb?
Sure.
Now wait a minute. You'll be famous.
No, because I'm wanted in about 7 states.
Not in Ohio, are you?
All different counties and everything. I'm just shit. I'm an old buddy, Daddy. I'm just shit.
Most of her people that watch it,
And then
most of her people that follow you.
I'll get her.
You don't have a lot of followers, right?
spicy and wild.
Oh yeah, they have nice headbands.
Got a white. He got some headbands here.
You want a drink? Diet Coke or something?
Want me to?
If you want it. I'm gonna find out.
Oh my god, look at the bear. Too many. Sorry. Nice here. They have a trailer here.
Went to a party last Saturday night. I didn't get laid. I got in a fight. It ain't no big thing. It ain't no big thing.
There's a trailer. Toilet. Trailer. Okay.
Just happy to be a band
Pizza
here at
here
Columbus
at-
Hall that gets to play around for all you fine people. And I'm just going to say that one of the cool things, and she
try
was
the
one of our
Ramsey
very, very biggest
pizza.
fans, and we love her absolutely profusely. So,
Let me get you a
first of
chair.
all, here's a little gift bag for you, my sweet girl. And
one
we
over
are
there.
just like to keep her happy. We want everybody to feel free to come here.
The best part on this bike night, I was able to take a picture with a famous DJ in QFM96 Columbus, Christy Kemper.
Rob West. Right there, there's Rob right there. 2 out of 3. I am.
She said she formed with her hands, and this incredible beauty has come out of that.
Everything is peer-based, companion programs, we do events, butterfly releases.
That's a cold bike. But I take a picture too.
Dental surgery and
Oh, it's so nice.
crying and whining.
Her name is under this one.
Oh yeah?
I'm going to cry and whine in my bed.
Oh yeah, that's
Don't worry, she's
cool.
going to get out and she's going to jump
Oh.
around the ring because that's just who she is as a person.
Look at this tail.
I love you.
So cute.
Child.
During this bike night, this is the one catches my eyes. A dragon made in crochet. And there's a story behind this. And it's a community called Luz. It provides support for people coping with the shock, grief, and complex emotions that often accompany the loss of a loved one to suicide. So this is very, guys, very nice community, especially for the family na they lost someone. And this is the kind of stuff they are making, doing some crochet and giving it away as a remembrance. And they gather to release any kind of crochet made in a symbolic and healing tribute to loved ones lost to suicide. This is serene event allows space for remembrance, reflection, and collective hope. This is the dragon called Hope. So this, I had fun with it, so I have to take a picture. So this was the big event during that bike night. And it's so cute. Even the biker want it on his bike. O diba? And for today's event, Luz offers support groups, remembrance events, companioning, suicide post-prevention and prevention education, and training to other communities interested in developing or enhancing their suicide post-prevention and prevention offers. So this is a community of hope. And this is nice. So this is the highlight on the bike night.
Rolling down the highway, just Mike and me, chasing every sunset, wild and free. Wherever the road goes, that's where we'll be.